Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I finally got my Test Tube Beauty. Test Tube Beauty is a quarterly subscription, and it is $59 a quarter, or you could buy it by the year for $200, which is what I do, and that'll save you, what, $36. So that's worth it to me. They promise you $300 value, $300 plus dollar value. And I think there's 10 items in here, usually always 10 items in here. So I did cut it open to get it started, and that's what it looks like there. I did get information from online for this box. This box has been sitting in Georgia. I live in Alabama, which is the next state over, but it came down from Illinois and sat in Georgia for about 1 month. So anyway, this is Fall into Beauty. The transition from summer to autumn is the perfect time to refresh your beauty routine. Welcome to your fall test tube, packed with everything you need fall more in love with self-care. Everything you need to fall more in love with self-care. Just a misprint here and there on that one. Okay. All right, so this is on top, not under the paper. So let's look at it right quick. This is Gloss Modern. I'm thinking I just got this. Didn't I just get this somewhere else? I think so, or something very similar. Maybe even last quarter we got something from Gloss Modern. Where do we get this from? Anyway, this is perfume. This is called Soleil, and it is $87 value. This is alcohol-free concentrated fragrance. Nourishes sensitive skin while enveloping you in a captivating blend of fine fragrance and pure essential oils, embodying the energy of the tantalizing beaches of Saint-Tropez. I want to say I just got this, y'all, but I don't remember where I got it from. All right, so it is a roller ball, and I'm not going to roll it because I think I already have it. It smells like you're at the beach. It smells wonderful. It smells like you're at the beach. So that is $87. This is considered full size, y'all. Everything in this box is full size. So the box is a little beat up here, but that's beautiful. I mean, it's a beautiful little bottle. $87. Oh my goodness. Anyway, let's move on. What I try to do is, get the pricing and everything. This, Test Tube Beauty is from the magazine New Beauty. So the editors of that magazine tell us about things they want us to try, things that we should try. And there is a magazine in here that comes out quarterly, and the magazine is like $12.95. So that also, I don't think I included that in the price of the total, but the total of this box is $332.50. So next we have a Daily Concepts Jade Roller. This one is the one that I have this. This is $16, and this is one of the better jade rollers. I think, there's some out there that you can get, like on the dollar store and stuff, but this is real jade. This is it here. It has the small side and it has the large side. And then the handle is jade as well. I'm going to leave this in here because this will make a nice gift. And this is valued at $16. So I was trying to get the magazine out, but I would have to wait till the end because everything is covered up in there. So that is very nice. I'm just going to try to go in order of how I'm seeing things, I think. This is from Manna Kadar. This is a hydrating facial mist. Let me see if I can find it. I've got all these papers, y'all. So I don't know that I remember this one off the top of my head, but like I said, this is very, very old. I mean, it's been a month since I printed all this. See, I get all the information from the website, but I don't see this. So anyway, I'll check out the price of that. Anyway, there it is. It's very beautiful. It's shrink wrap, so let's leave it that way for now. I hardly ever use a face mist, but I know I've had something like this before from Manna Kadar. It's very beautifully packaged and all. So we'll leave it in there for now. There is something is, something, okay, this is smashed, but it goes with this. It's not that big of a deal. This is like metal. This is Euphoria style. This is a dry shine spray gloss, $32.50. If you don't have time for a traditional in-salon gloss, this spray-on formula delivers the same healthy high shine finish in seconds, it says. So that is interesting. I don't know that I'll use it, but maybe. But look at how that, I don't know how that really, well, probably from getting bounced around with the heavy things in there. But I'll try to, oh yeah, I got it back on. I mean, it's dented, but it's on. We have next JVN Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. Okay, JVN is a great skincare line, or hair, isn't that hair? Yes, hair care line. Let me find that. I know I saw that. Okay, this is Complete Nourishing Shine Drops, $24 value. Let's see what it looks like. It says dispense a few drops into your palms and rub them together before smoothing down damp or dry mid-lengths and ends to tame frizz and add next level shine. So look how cute that packaging is. That's cute. And I have had products from JVN before. It's a really nice hair care line. Very nice. $24 value for that. That's very pretty. Dropper bottle. So I'm not sure that I'll use it because I don't, I think that's more for longer hair. That's my thought on that. Next up, we have this. This is by the brand Versed. This is a $20 value. This is the Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask. So let's look at that. Look at how nicely that's packaged. Apply a thin layer to dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Rinse with cool water after 2 to 3 minutes, not exceeding 3 minutes. So use once a week at night. Ideally after cleansing and toning, but before moisturizing. So it's going to be a nice, what am I trying to say? Scrub or exfoliator. That's what I'm trying to say, y'all. It's very nicely packaged. Oh, wow. It looks like a gel. It doesn't have a scent at all. It looks like jelly. And it is AHB, let's see what it says right here. AHB and BHB complex pineapple enzymes. Oh, wow. So this is, it says made for aging skin and dullness. This is going to really clear off the dead skin. This is going to really exfoliate, but you leave it on. And so this may be, if you have sensitive skin, this may be a problem. Now, I can have sensitive skin. Some things bother me, but I'll try it. Or I might not try it. I don't know. But I might try it because I do like an exfoliator once in a while. But some people, some people have trouble with them. So you have to be careful when you do that kind of thing. So, all right, here's this. This is Bond Bar. This is $10 value. This mask is a multitasking intense treatment that adds volume and smooths hair while also improving wet detangling by 90% after just one use. I don't have tangles. My hair is too short. I do like things that help with volume, and it smooths my hair. That sounds nice. Repair, protect, hydrate. It says my secret weapon to take my dry hair from dull and brittle to shiny and instantly soft. So Bond Bar. This is a nice, I like this kind of a top. It is sealed, but then you can just get out what you need, hopefully. Squeeze out what you need. That's nice for $10. Yeah, that's a good deal. That's a good price if it's something you like. Some of these are so high priced, that we can't afford them. But it's nice to try them, isn't it? And I have, I did not see this. So this is not added in the price of things. I'll have to try to find that at the end. Next, I have three more items. Here's the magazine. This is a quarterly beauty magazine that you'll find on the newsstand, and it is $12.95. And who is on this cover is Kelsey Ballerini, the summer of Kelsey Ballerini. You know, I'm so old, I don't know who this girl is. I don't know her. I usually know who's on there, but I don't know that. I don't know her. So anyway, next we have, this is a lot of fun, y'all. Look how cute that is. This is Lalicious. This is the Travel Besties. $28 value. There's 2 packages in here. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Look at how it opens. It's sealed. Of course it's sealed. All right, let me open it. The Manicadar is valued at $12 on Ulta. And then the Euphoria Style, this is $32.50 for that. And this item is $28, and I have had something from this before, Lalicious. This is the Travel Besties. Look how cute that packaging is. And here it is. This has two containers in it. And we have the Lalicious Scrub, Exfoliate and Moisturize. This is for your body. And the Body Butter, Moisturize and Renew. So that comes together, and it's a $28 value, so these are $14 each. A sweet indulgence for your skin is, this duo is expertly designed to exfoliate and moisturize for a healthy glow on the go, and available in 8 irresistible fragrances for the ultimate body care experience. See, does it say what mine is? The scent, I don't see a scent on here. I have a big tub of this that is a coconut. Oh, it's sealed. I can't smell anything. It's sealed. So I have, it's coconut, it looks like lard. When you take it in your hands and rub it, it gets like oil, and you can rub it on your skin. It's wonderful. I don't see a scent. Okay, anyway, but it's super cute little travel kit, or, you know, just whatever. It's just adorable. What a nice gift, too. Make a nice gift. 2 more items, y'all. $28 value on that. Next, we have Neostrata. Neostrata is an excellent skincare line. We have been, you know, these boxes help us get exposed to very bougie things. This is a $40 value. This is the vitamin C concentrate, housed in protective single-dose capsules to ensure maximum freshness and potency. This vitamin C serum targets dull skin for overall luminosity and is your daily defense against drying environmental stressors. So this is it, and these are little capsules. Look how cute they are. Little capsules, little copper-colored capsules. So you'll just, they feel like silicone. You'll just pinch that and then put that on. Wonderful. And that keeps it, vitamin C you want to keep dark. So the capsules keep that dark. So that is really cool. Anything I've ever gotten from Neostrata has been wonderful. $40 value. And next, and last but not least, our 10th item. This is Obagi, O-B-A-G-I, not sure that I'm saying it right. Obagi Medical 360. This is a retinol 0.5 cream, $75 value. This box got a little beat up. You know, it's been, who knows, smashed in the corner for a month. This is nice. It's sealed, pump to dispense. So this is a pump on here, which is nice. So you can just get out what you want. This is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed because, you know, I don't want to get any air in there. This says, in the evening, uncap the airless pump and apply 1 pump or a pearl size amount to your face. Massage until fully absorbed. The editor feedback says that this is a standout retinol that really gives results even for sensitive skin types. So that's good to know. I've never used straight retinol. Well, I've had products that have had straight retinol before. So it'll be interesting to see about this. It does have a warning on the back. You know, you have to be careful if you are allergic. You have to, because some people are allergic to retinol. So just, maybe test it first just to make sure. So this is another fabulous box. I love this box. This box is skincare. Once in a while, we might get 1 or 2 pieces of makeup. 1 or 2, that's it. So this is our makeup, and it's not even really makeup, but this is the face mist, the Manicadar. That's really the only thing that is makeup-y. We got the Gloss Modern Perfume, which is nice. We got the Daily Concepts Jade Roller, which is my favorite jade roller. And then we've got some hair care. We have the Euphoria Style for the dry shine, and the JVN. This was the Nourishing Shine Drop, so this is all about shine. And this is the Bon Bar Hydrating Mask. Is that the one that, one of these is volume, and now I forgot. Now I forgot already. And then we have this cute kit, this wonderful cute kit, Lalicious. Very nice kit. That'll make a great stocking stuffer or gift or something for your sister, your mother, somebody. The Neostrata Vitamin C, wonderful. There's the box for that. The Versed Doctor Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask. This was the pineapple exfoliator resurfacing mask, and the retinol. So this is all about renewing and having beautiful hair, and the box and the magazine. So y'all, this is I try to get subscription boxes that I really like, that I really love, and that I want to use. It's a lot to use, so I won't be able to use everything, but I like to try things. And I just really love this box. I think it's for $50 a month. $59 is the quarter price. But if you buy it by the year, it's $200.60. So that is $50 a box. Look at all 10 items. That's $5 an item. And this is over it's over $350 value. So it's an excellent value. Excellent value. It's a great gift for yourself or for a friend, a relative or somebody. So I have the link below. They have started something new. I think you'll get 15% off if you use my link. They never used a link before. So I have that below. So check it out if you're interested, y'all. And take care and count your blessings. And good to see y'all. Bye-bye.